Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making masala khichdi.
Yum.
Yes, lentils and rice.
Sounds good to me.
Great combination.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a special request by Anupriya Suman and Jai Rajput.
Thank you.
Here you go. This one's for you two.
Let's get it going.
Let's do this. Today we have so many ingredients, we're going to have to do it in two parts. Wow. So first of all, we have our moong dal and we have our rice. We're using Indian brown rice. We have our ghee, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red pepper powder, hing, cumin seed, bay leaf, green cardamom pods, clove, and fresh cinnamon. Now let's take a look at the veggies that we're going to add to the dish. Cauliflower, tomato, green beans, onion, carrot, peas, yellow bell pepper, green chili, and cilantro leaves. That's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. All right, let's get started on cooking the dish. We're going to be doing it all in our electric pressure cooker. It's an Instant Pot, and we're not sponsored by Instant Pot, and we're not endorsing them. It's just one of our kitchen tools that we use. Okay, we'll start off on saute mode and we'll add our ghee to it. We'll get the ghee melted down and then we'll start adding the spices. We'll add the cumin, add the bay leaf, the cinnamon, the clove, and we'll add the green cardamom pods. And we'll give these a stir. The spices are nice and aromatic. Now we'll add the onion. Very, very fragrant. Now I'll add the ginger garlic. Let this cook down for about a minute. Now we'll add the tomato. We'll let the tomatoes cook down for a few minutes. Tomatoes are cooked down. Now we'll add the green chili. Nice. We'll let the green chili cook down for a minute. Now we'll add the rest of our vegetables. Cauliflower, peas. Carrots. Green beans. And lastly, the yellow bell peppers. We'll saute these down for about a minute also. Then we'll add the rest of our spices. Okay, now we'll add the spices in. One of the spices that I missed during the ingredients is garam masala, so we're going to add that in right now. We'll also add in our turmeric powder. Our hing. And the red chili powder. And we'll get all that incorporated into the vegetables and other spices. All right, the veggies have sauteed for a minute or so. It's time to add the moong dal. So we've rinsed and soaked the moong dal. Try to add all the moong dal in without dropping the bowl in the Instant Pot. And then same for the rice. We've also rinsed and soaked the rice. Now we'll add a total of 6 cups of water to the Instant Pot. Almost there. One final ingredient to add. We'll add the coriander. So that can get cooked into the khichdi as well. Okay, we'll get started cooking with the pressure cooker now. We'll put the lid on. We'll make sure that the vent is closed so that it will be able to build up pressure. We will turn it on manual for 18 minutes. Even though this is called an instant pot, there's nothing instant about it. So it will take about 15 to 20 minutes for the pressure to build up before it actually starts cooking. So the 18 minutes that I set it to will be after it builds up that initial pressure. And then once it cooks for the 18 minutes, you don't just open it up, it has to depressurize. And there's 2 ways of doing it. You can let it do it itself. It usually takes about 10 minutes. Or you can release the vent and do it manually, which will steam off a lot of the pressure. But we usually just let it go and let it automatically depressurize itself after it's finished cooking. So here you go. Here's the Instant Pot RB. We can go over some of the features if you wish. So you saw the saute feature, and it also has different settings. So you can cook soups, meats. You can actually do cakes in it, make eggs. You can use it as a rice cooker. You can, is this one for bread, I think?
I think so.
I think this one's bread. You can make porridge.
Steamed veggies.
Yep, you can steam veggies, and you can use it as just a crock pot, a slow cooker. What we typically do is we usually just hit the manual button and set the time. and usually that's good enough for us. We haven't messed around with all of the settings. We haven't baked a cake or made any casseroles or anything in it yet. Usually it's just rice and some type of bean or lentil. Yeah, it does a really good job though. So the 18 minutes is up in the pressure cooker. Now it's going to start another count, and this is to depressurize. So we can let it go 10 minutes to depressurize, or we can manually depressurize. Okay, it's finished depressurizing. Time to take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Maybe had a little bit too much water in it. Could have been a little bit thicker, but this was the first time making this recipe. Let's get it in a bowl and put it to the test now. Well, how does that look?
Looks terrific.
Want to put it to the test?
Let's do it.
Masala Khichdi.
Let's try it.
Let's try it. Smells absolutely fantastic. So aromatic, all the spices that were added to it.
It does have an aroma. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, hot.
A really nice flavor.
Strong.
Strong how?
Strong flavors. And it is spicy.
Yeah, it's not the typical khichdi that I make. I've been making khichdi for years without even knowing it. Actually, just
Yes.
rice and lentils together. But following this specific recipe with all the spices, though, super flavorful. Yeah, and as always, I'll put a link down in the description to the recipe, so if you want to make it yourself.
Well, yeah, this is definitely a dish for you. You like it. It's not one of my favorites, but I can see how you would love it.
Mumzies is not a big fan of hing.
No, I'm not.
She's not even a small fan of hing.
No, I'm not.
It's actually growing on me. I'm starting to actually like it. Yeah.
Well, your taste buds always acclimate to different flavors and tastes. Mine, I'm a basic girl, I guess.
Yeah, so one of these days I'll make my normal khichdi. And that way you can see the difference between the two. And what I do is I typically cook the vegetables on the side. So I only do the rice and the lentils together.
Yeah.
And then at the end kind of add everything together. So a little bit different, but it's always fun to try new recipes.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. I'm not opposed to that at all. Just sometimes I'm not going to like them all.
You're not going to get a Mumsies Happy Dance on this one.
Sorry, guys.
So another new thing that I'm going to try is I'm going to have some mango pickle with it. See how that goes. Wow. That packs a punch. Would you like to try some?
Well, I don't even like mango, so I think I'm 2 for 2 on this one.
But
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna like everything.
It doesn't have a mango taste.
Well, no,
It's not a ripe mango, it's a green mango.
still.
Wow. That is powerful flavor for sure. I like it. I don't know if you eat it with khichdi, but it's good. Yeah,
Well, I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I am.
Oh, got a dance from Papa. He likes it. Good job.
Very good.
Well, I'm glad you enjoy it.
Yeah. Well, Anupriya and Jai, thank you so much for making the request.
Yes, we
I hope-
always welcome those.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching us make the
Make
khichdi.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. And RV, I hope that you liked the little introduction to the Instant Pot.
Yes. Yeah, that was a different thing to request, and we could do it. So
Yeah, and we'll actually put a link down in the description to Instant Pot also. So
yeah.
if you want to go check that out, you can. I don't know. You probably have Amazon in Qatar.
I have no
Maybe.
idea.
Yeah. Well, next up, we have requests
Yes.
from Boxing Junkie. Sort of Guru Prasad. Guru Prasad, I'm going to make you a specific Korg one, but this still kind of falls into the category of what you've requested. So I haven't forgotten about you. Yours is definitely coming. And Bhavani K. So 3 good solid requests for the next dish.
Yep.
Should be good. And actually, we have 2 more requests for it too. Our daughter and son-in-law have also requested this dish.
They have.
So,
They have.
so actually it's a total of 5 requests for it.
Yep. So
But we've had to wait to get everything coordinated so that they could come over and eat it. And well, yeah, we hope that you will enjoy it. And we definitely appreciate you watching and hope you have a great day.
bye.